This activity is called Water, Don't Waste a Drop. We will be going through and finding different ways that we can save water in our home. Water is very important and we don't want to be wasting it. Let's come up with 4 different ways that we can save water in our home or our school. Let's think of the first one. Maybe we don't have to take too many baths. Instead of bathing every day, why don't we try taking a bath once or twice a week and taking a shower instead? The second one could be reusing our bath water. After we finish taking a bath, don't let the water go down the drain. Instead, you can scoop up the water with a bucket and help your parents water the plants around the house. The third way could be not playing with water. I know we all love playing with water, but we don't want to waste the water. Turn off the tap after you finish washing your hands. The fourth way could be making sure we turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Instead, we can use a cup, fill it up with water, and use that to brush our teeth instead of leaving the tap running. That is excellent, guys. We came up with 4 ways we can effectively save water around the house and at school. Why don't you have a chat with your mums and dads and think of more ways to save water?